Thought for the day. People who read regularly are 70% more capable of identifying fake news and rumors. 1. Professor Annapurni Subramaniam, Director of the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bengaluru, has been honored with the Vikram Sarabhai Medal. She has become the first female scientist and the fourth Indian to receive this honor. This medal is awarded biennially to astronomers by ISRO and the Committee on Space Research. 2. Arunachal Pradesh's Glaur Lake has been declared India's 101st Ramsar site. Located within the Kamlang Tiger Reserve in the Lohit district, it is Arunachal's first Ramsar site. It is a high-altitude freshwater lake that is home to 49 species of orchids and over 150 species of trees. 3. Scientists from the Zoological Survey of India, ZSI, have published a comprehensive list of butterflies and moths found in India. A total of 13,703 species are found in India, representing 8.25% of the world's total species. This includes 1,417 species of butterflies and 12,286 species of moths. 4. The Ministry of Finance introduced the Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Bill 2026 feet in the Lok Sabha. It includes several proposals, such as extending income tax exemptions until the year 2040-41 for foreign companies manufacturing electronic goods, mobile phones, laptops, etc. 5. D.Y. Patil, a Padma Shri awardee and former governor of Tripura, Bihar, and West Bengal, passed away at the age of 90. Patil was an educationist as well as a politician. He established over 182 educational institutions and 7 universities across the country. 6. Harshita Jakhar, a 19-year-old cyclist from Rajasthan, has become the first Indian woman to participate in the Tour de France Femmes. She led a select group of international cyclists during the second stage of the race held in Switzerland. Harshita was selected for this performance under the World Cycling Talent Program. She is currently training at the Sports Authority of India, SAI, Centre in Patiala. 7. Word of the day. Private Members Bill, PMB. A Private Members Bill, PMB, is a bill introduced in Parliament by any Member of Parliament, MP, other than a minister. Its objective is to propose a new law or suggest amendments to an existing one. Article 107 provides the provision for introducing private bills in Parliament. Simply put, it empowers MPs to propose legislation on their own initiative, independent of the government. It is currently in the news because LJP, our MP Arun Bharati has proposed introducing a PMB in the Lok Sabha seeking constitutional status for the National Youth Commission.